umeasha simu. Kijana.
What?
Umeasha simu.
What?
Umeasha simu vale.
Simu vale?
Umeasha simu.
Simu vale is what?
Umeasha simu vale hivi.
Can you speak English?
Umeasha simu.
Simu vale.
Ha?
Simu vale is what?
Simu alikuwa anageri pale, simu umeasha simu. Ha? Umeasha simu.
Can you speak some English?
Nakwambia si simu ni yako wewe umeasha pale. Kwani wewe asikike venye mimi anasema?
Vale.
Ha?
Vale is I have my trouser.
Si usigise umeasha simu. Si umeasha simu. Kwani hataki simu? Hataki simu yako?
Enough.
Ha?
Enough. Don't disturb me. I have no time.
Basi.
I don't know what's wrong with Masai's. Anyway, she was talking of simu. I heard her saying sim. Oh. I think she was saying my phone. Excuse me. Excuse me. Masai. Is that my phone? That's my phone.
Unataka aje?
That's my phone. Sorry. My phone, you have my phone.
Si nimekwambia silikuwa nimekuitia simu yako umeasha pale ukakataa.
Sorry, I don't know Swahili, but I think that is my phone.
Sio ulikuwa umekataa?
That's my phone.
Umesema
I put it here. I think I lost it where I was sitting.
Endelea kwenda. Si ulikuwa unaenda na
That's my phone, please.
Enda, fanya hivi.
No. That's my phone. That's my phone, Masai. That's my phone. That's my phone. Look. Show it to me. That's my
Nini
phone.
hiyo anafanya hivi?
This is my phone, please. You called me there, and I don't know what you're speaking, but I know simu means phone. That's my phone. I am sorry. This is phone. This is my phone. This is my phone, Masai. Masai, bring my phone. Masai, I want my phone. Masai, I want my phone. Masai, my phone. Masai, I want my phone. Masai.